My car makes this sound after going over bumps. Let me let this window down so I can hear it, because it's coming from the passenger side. And it make the sound when I turn too. Life of having a Q50, boy.